Okay, we're out at our KalHaven Bee Yard. We're actually just starting this bee yard. We're actually going to put a second one there as time permits. And what we've done yesterday, we installed the nuke that went into this wooden box. Might be asking why we're using a wooden box when we only use Hive IQ. Well, I'm waiting for more Hive IQs to come in so that we can put them together and utilize them. They seem to come in and go out as fast as we get them. So, nonetheless, it looks like the bees have done their or are doing orientation flights. They're getting used to the area, and I'm pretty excited about that. Got a little bit of feed in there, 1-to-1 sugar water, just to kind of help them out. But as soon as we get the Hive IQs, we'll transfer them in. So if you have any thoughts, questions, comments, likes, just put it into the box down below, and let's see if we can help you out.